Hi, I am architect Shirish Kembhavi. I am honorary secretary Pune Construction Engineering Research Foundation. Constro International Expo is our flagship event which we hold every year, and we get best in the construction material, methods, technology and machinery and showcase it before the construction fraternity. This is a great learning experience. The motto of our exhibition is education through exhibition. This is the 20th edition that we are into. The exhibition has started way back in 1985, and it has been held alternate year every time earlier, but now we are having it every year. We have more than 300 stalls put up from across the western Maharashtra who showcase their best products and innovations. And the exhibition is visited by around 25,000 to 30,000 construction professionals. Ours is a B2B exhibition, so it is only the professionals who engage with the product manufacturers and machinery product makers and everyone. So it's a technology Mela sort of an event that we hold every year now. Concurrently with this exhibition, we also have a conclave in which technical subjects are discussed, award presentations are held, and technical sessions pertaining to new products and materials and technology are showcased during this event. So it's a full 4-day jam-packed event for the entire Western Maharashtra, I would say. Actually, we have a research team consistently working in our office. We subscribe to a lot of magazines, we see a lot of reading material, and then we try to get in touch with those people who are coming up with these innovations, and then we try to get them in our exhibition. So we want to keep our construction fraternity up to date with whatever is available best in the market.
Do any education system, because the 4 days event, any new technology or new adoptions from the westernized or western countries or Japanese countries or German countries, new ideology in the construction equipment, all of these things?
Yeah, see, most of the construction manufacturing companies which are there abroad are now set up in India also, and their Indian counterparts are part of our exhibition. So all the foreign technologies Indianized to suit our way of working and our climatic conditions and working conditions are already available in the market, and they showcase their products in our exhibition. To spread our geographical base across the state of Maharashtra and in the western area as such, we have tied up with several sister organizations like CREDAI, Builders Association of India, who have nationwide presence, and then they are our partners in spreading the word across the country. And also we have tie-up with a lot of educational institutions who are we have MOUs with them, and these institutions are our sub-centers. So the footprint of PCRF is slowly growing. Like this year we have almost, we can say, covered the entire of Maharashtra. We have delegates coming in from Kolhapur, Sangli, Nasik, Aurangabad, Ichalkaranji, all over the Maharashtra people are coming here to attend our exhibition. So our footprint is definitely growing. Likewise, the manufacturers who are working in those areas are also part of our exhibition this year. No, I think construction is a most important activity that is happening in our country. Infrastructure is a big player in Indian economy, and our engineers, architects, the entire construction fraternity is gearing themselves up to meet the challenges and to be playing on the world field. So it's not just only about India, but being at par with the entire world. So we are, in a way, our own way, trying to help the fraternity get abreast with whatever latest is happening.